Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
How to insert a date picker in Microsoft Word. How to do that? It is very simple and very easy. For that, you need to open your Microsoft Word, go to File, then go to Option. Here you need to select Customize Ribbon and you need to enable Developer. Press OK. Then you need to click on Developer here. Whichever table or whichever place you want, you need to select that place. Then you need to click on this date picker, click on that, and you need to select the date. You can just copy and paste, otherwise you can select and select here like this. If you want outside of the table, same thing, you click whichever place you want, then select this one and you can select the date. Okay, it is very simple. So in this way you can try in a PC. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.